under 50 seconds.
It's a great feeling. Couldn't do it without the fans coming down the home stretch. Thank you guys. Really, Jimmy, I thank you guys for supporting the day off. Thanks for coming out today.
Now, Michael, you ran the world's best performance at the Texas Relays 48-44. How did that race compare with today?
It was good. Today was just come out here and work. Conditions weren't perfect, but hey, didn't have the perfect race today that I wanted, but hey, it's a good one.
It's a good one. They changed the schedule around. I'm sure that affects how you prepare for a meet. Now, you've got the NCAA championships. You're a several-time All-American. What do you look for at the NCAA at Eugene?
To bring home a national championship in the form to hurt for the Kansas Jayhawks.
There we go. Now, we've had some Olympic medalists from this school at the Olympic Games out through the years. What are your chances?
I think my chances are pretty good if I keep working, trusting in my coaching, and just keep working. I can do it.
Well, Michael, good luck. We'll all be